Okay guys, so today I'm playing Subway Surfer. So this is epic game. Go subscribe to Banana God and Puppy something and my brother's YouTube channel, Mattel's video game. So go check it out and enjoy the video. Okay guys, so I just got in. Playing, I'm going good. I go faster and faster, so you guys might see me actually lose because I lose a lot of times on this. I started this game for my YouTube, for I can have characters some people love. I almost have all of them. If you guys hit to 10,000 likes, I'll be working on the game, and I will try to get the rarest guy in the game. I think he is. It's usually the most expensive guy, so yeah. Enjoy the video. Why did I say that again? Okay, let's just go back in the video. Ah! Okay, so I'm winning. A cop is not buying me. So supposedly I got these. Oh, nice. Wait, I repeated a whole word. That always happens when I repeat a whole word, but I don't think I did. I got this, and then, phew, I thought I would die. So this is good. I just spent one of my keys. So you guys are very lucky I did, because keys are very special in the game and you can unlock stuff with it or buy stuff. Only the legendary people have it, but the most money people, because money is hard to get kind of. Yeah, except for playing the game. Seriously, why is this happening? No! Let's see what I get. Money. Honestly, I don't want to do a video. I think you guys will either watch me play. This is good. Going off good. Not bad. This is not the baddest play. It's good play. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm on the roof. I'm on the roof. Oh my gosh. No! No! Not again! No! That was so bad. Please make me on the roof. Oh no, I can do this. I might go to a roof. So this money in the air, you will not see it when you walk by, only when you do jetpack. Or maybe you can, is that you can look up in the game, because it's running from a cop. Well, I'm 10 times farther than the cop now. So let's keep going. I mean, don't run faster, go faster. I think more you play, more you go faster, so yeah. So this is good. I'm going off good. This is weird. Oh my gosh, I won't. Oh shoot. I thought it was all free. I'm no. That got me freaked. Oh yes. No. Please, get me on the roof. Yep. Oh, I wanted to be on that roof. That would be lit. I told you, did I? And why did I do that? Why? Delicioso, why? This is hard. You guys have ever tried Subway Surfer? You can buy this after. It should be like a guy. You have to show you the main guy of the game after. And it should be his face, like putting this his face with like snow or something. Every year is like Halloween, like Thanksgiving. It's all kinds of things in this game. And you can buy, and every year it comes with the same person, but they kind of mod it, like made it more better. Then after it leaves, then after it comes back sometimes, after it leaves, yeah. Got these again, nice, I love these. They make me extra high jumping and they're easy to get. I can spend money to start off the game with like 20 of these. Yes, I got a chest! Oh no, don't kill me. No, don't kill me. So okay, so should I end the video? I'll do one more round for you guys and I'll end the video. Okay, so I got one of these. Oh, you guys didn't know how lucky I was right now. Do that? Yeah, I got V. Oh no, I was trying to get money. Oh, it's okay. I'll do one more, okay? Because that was quicker than ever. And I'll try to do this one long. And wait, you guys want to check out my calendar? I got 2,000? Oh, nice. Well, I really want to get the Santa Moose thing. Oh no, reindeer. And after I get that, I really want. And after I get that, and after I get the legendary one. Okay, let's get out. Oh, where's out? Over here. Okay, so I'm back in the game, like usual. And if you didn't know, I am very rich. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So, like and subscribe, make us to 10,000 likes. And goodbye. Nah, hey.